I'm Jeffrey and I'll show you a small demo of this industrial pollution monitor with IoT. And this is the industry's wastewater outlet, and this is the industry's machine. This is the office light, and this is the alarm in the industry that will tell about the water pollution to the industry's workers.
Done.
This is the GSM and GPRS module SIM 900A, and this is the external antenna of this thing, and this is gas sensor MQ2, which will sense carbon monoxide, LPG and methane. This is the temperature sensor probe. It is connected to LED and relay to turn on the cooling system. The cooling system has a heat sink and a peltier. This is the temperature sensor probe, by the way. This is the pH sensor. It also has secondary temperature sensor to check the temperature after the cooling system is turned on. This is the turbidity sensor to measure the turbidity of the water. 3. This is the another gas sensor MQ135 to sense the ammonia. All these sensors are connected to this Arduino Mega 25603. Now let me show you the working of this. I am pouring this polluted water into this. Now the opto sensors detected the polluted water, and so that the machines are turned off. So after some times the alarm will also work. So as you can see, the alarm is now buzzing, and it's not working properly, so that the industry's people will know by the sound and the low power supply of the company. This is the hot water with high turbidity. So we are pouring it in this. So in this stage, turbidity sensor, as the temperature is so high, the cooling system will turn on after the temperature hits the high value. Now I am pouring even more turbid water. So in the next level, the pH sensor will sense the pH of the water. So I am pouring hydrochloric acid in it. As I pour, you can see the pH rate reducing. And after the pH checkup, the air quality is also displayed. As the pollution is too high, the pollution control department is noticed with the call and SMS alert. So we also got the SMS with pH level and turbidity level, and saying that it is too high. The results from all the sensors are updated to a website that we have created using the GPRS module. This is the home page of the industry, and as you scroll down, you can see the pH level constantly decreasing. And next, if we click the turbidity level in this bar, the turbidity level is also updated in NTU units, So now the turbidity level is 47. It is constantly reducing, and now we can also see the industry's location. Okay, here is the industry's location, uh, and this is the output from the MQ2 gas sensor. So as there are two gas sensors, MQ2 and MQ135, the result from the MQ135 is also displayed in this. As this is uploaded to the World Wide Web, anyone from anywhere in the world can access the information about the pollution in this industry.